3 class. This is your math lecture number 4. Okay. Exercise 1.2. We are going to start question number 3. Write in the expanded form. 2 have been done for you. Okay. What is the expanded form? Expanded form, student, writing a number by adding its place values. Writing a number as the sum of its place values is called the expanded form of the numbers. Writing a number as sum of its place values. Okay, student. For example, student, writing the sum of its place values is called the expanded form. Okay, what is the place value first member? First member is 2. First number is 2. So write 2 same as it is. Then count the digits on its right side. Zeros. Okay, 2 zeros because two digits are on its right side. Then take term, then find the second number place value. Second number is 3, so put 3 here and count the digits on its right side. So 1 digit, so put 1 0. Then third time, write third time 1, third term, so write third term same as it is its place values, because don't write 0 on its right side because one has nothing, no member on its right side. So this is, by putting the signs between them, this is called the expanded form. Writing a number as the sum of its place values. Writing a number at its sum of its place values. हमने इनकी place values की sum की form में लिखने को क्या बोलते हैं? Expanded form. क्या बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट? Expanded form. इनकी प्लेस वैल्यूज़ को सम की फॉर्म में लिखने की, एडिशन की फॉर्म में लिखने को एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म बोलते हैं. किसी भी नंबर की तमाम प्लेस वैल्यूज़ को सम की फॉर्म में लिखने को क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, write the expanded form 2 have been done for you. Okay, how to write the expanded form? Here if you see that first term is 4 digit number, so count ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Mean when we find the place value of these two, then put 3 zeros on its right side. So this becomes 2000. So this will write in words. Okay, 2000, then 600 होगा because two numbers are there on its right side. So second is 600, third is 5 tens. How many tens in this term? Ones, tens, 5 tens है. कितने tens है? 5 tens mean 50. 5 tens means 50. 5 tens. Okay, 5 tens mean 50. Okay, then 4 ones, because ones term has the 4, so write 4. Okay, then second, firstly how to write the second? Thousands. How many thousands in this term? 5. Okay, how many hundreds in this term? 3. When we find the place value of this 3. Okay, then we find the place value of this 2 tens, and then 1. Here the 8000s, 600s, because the second is 6, then 4 tens, then 2. Okay, so this is expanded form in words. Now the expanded form in figures. Now the expanded form is figure. So how to add the expanded form? First, see, first number is 9, put is here, then count the digits on its right side. 1 is done for you. Okay, 3 digits, so put 3 zeros, then plus signs is also there. Then see, the second number 9 is here, then count the digits on its right side. 2 digits, there are 2 digits, so put 2 zeros. Then third one is also 9, so put 9 is here, then count the digits on its right side, or put the 0 on its right side, then count the 9 at the last. Okay, so this part is for you, for your doing. Okay, now question number 4 is, complete the table by writing the numbers in expanded or short form. Writing in the numbers in the expanded or short form. There are some questions given some questions are in expanded form and then some questions are in short form. Okay, expanded form and short form, all the alternative or both. Okay, सबसे पहले expanded form. How to write the expanded form? As you understood in previous lectures also, first number is 5, then count your digits on its right side, so put 3 zeros. Then second number is 3, students, then count the digits on its right side, 2 digits, so put the 2 zeros. Then the third digit is 2, so put 2 is here, then count the digits on its right side, only 1, 7, so put is 0, last digit is 7. Okay, this is the expanded form. First digit is 5, then count the digits on its right side, 3 digits, so put 3 zeros. Then see the second number is 3, so put 3 is here, then count the digits on its right side, there are 2 digits, so put 2 zeros. Then see the third number is 2, then see the digits on its right side, so right side digit has only one member, so put 1 0, then last one 7. So this is short form and this is the expanded form. Okay, now the question number 2 is in expanded form. Okay, so simple. First we have write only first member of each terms for expanded, for going into the short form from the expanded form. Here the 2000, so first write 2 is here, don't write zeros. Then take the second term, first member, second term first member is 2, so write 2 is here. Then third terms first member is also 2, first number is also 2, so put 2, then last one. So this is a very easy method to going expanded form into the expanded form from to the short form from the expanded form. Okay, so these are questions for you done in your H work.